Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to drift an Audi RS3. The Audi RS3 is equipped with a sophisticated torque splitter, a key innovation that allows for controlled drifts. This clever system can direct up to 100% of the available rear torque to just one of the rear wheels, making it uniquely capable. To begin, you will need to select the RS Torque Rear mode, which is specifically designed to encourage oversteering and enable exciting slides. Before attempting any drifts, safety is paramount. Always ensure you are on a closed course or a dedicated track, never on public roads. First, access the Audi Drive Select system and choose the RS Torque Rear mode. This special setting optimizes the car for drifting. Next, it is crucial to completely switch off the traction control system. Finally, perform a quick check of your tire pressures and all essential vehicle fluids to ensure your RS3 is ready for the demands of drifting. Once prepared, initiating a drift in your RS3 involves a precise sequence. Begin by turning the steering wheel into the corner, then apply a significant amount of throttle to break traction at the rear wheels. The intelligent torque splitter will then work to balance the power, helping you maintain the desired drift angle. You will need to use quick counter-steering inputs and careful throttle modulation to control the slide, aiming for a smooth and consistent arc through the turn. Drifting is a skill that requires practice and patience. Start with gentle inputs and gradually increase the intensity as you become more comfortable. Always remain acutely aware of your surroundings and any potential hazards on the track. Consistent practice will significantly improve your control and build your confidence behind the wheel. Remember to always respect your Audi RS3 powerful capabilities and your own evolving skill level for a safe and enjoyable experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.